how to turn on auto capitalization and double space for a period. This is when you are using the Gboard keyboard for your Android phone or Samsung phone. I'll show you where you're going to turn these on and how it works. Also, make sure you have the latest update for the Gboard keyboard app. So let's just say you're about to start typing and suddenly your keyboard pops up like this here, which is supposed to happen. Then when it does, you'll notice this setting icon right here. You want to go here first, then from here, go to where it says text correction right there. And as you enter into text correction section here, you want to go down until you see auto capitalization. So for chances are you might have it turned on already, or go ahead and turn them on. So this is when it's on. Now I'll come out of here and I'll come out of here and I'll show you how it works. So for the auto capitalization, I'm going to go ahead and say the word this sentence. And when I press enter, you'll notice all the keys here now will become capitalized automatically. This is your auto capitalize. This basically, once it's turned on, every time you press the enter key to start a new line, the first letter will automatically be set to capitalize. That's the first one here. And now I'm going to go ahead and press in the words, the sentence again. And what happens is as you're typing and you double press the space bar, 1, 2, you will notice that you get yourself a period here. That would be double pressing the space bar for the period automatically. And that's what these two features are. And if you don't like them, you can come back and turn them off at any given time, like and sub.